so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds.
What's up, my bomb squad? This is Lisa.
And DC Kool-Aid. We coming at you with what, babe?
This is the Nature's Wild Berry. So, Nature's Wild Berry says that if you chew it for 30 seconds, for the next 20 to 30 minutes, everything you eat will taste sweeter than sugar. So, what we did was we got things that are inherently not sweet but salty or sour. So, this is Toll House Flips. They got Toll House on one side, pretzels on the other side. We got a lemon and a lime, two different kinds of sours. And we just got some just plain barbecue chips. So, I'm gonna cut the lemon. So first we have to chew this for 30 seconds and then swallow the berry. So. Okay.
You put them down in there?
Well, it's only two, but this one looks like it broke or something. Here, you want the whole?
No, you take the whole. Ooh.
Okay, you gotta chew it. All right, so you gotta chew it.
I'm gonna show y'all what the bag look like if you want to order it.
Oh, I just did. I showed it to him.
This with the camera.
I showed it to him.
Okay,
I made sure it was whole. But it's Nature's Wild Berry. And that's what it looks like. It'll be two little, I don't know if you can really see it, like they do when they're doing things.
Wild berry.
It's Nature's Wild Berry. It's a berry that's supposed to make your taste buds change, I guess.
This gonna mess with my dinner?
Probably.
I'll probably be eating the next hour.
It lasts approximately 20 to 40 minutes. So it's just a berry, it's nothing else. You can get
Sorry about that.
Situation together. All right, so we gotta chew it for 30 seconds. All right, you ready?
She's smart as hell.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Gotta move right now.
What it tastes like?
I don't know. It's getting progressively sweeter as I'm swishing it around my mouth, but
Want to cut that?
okay, so
We chew
let's
that.
start with a lemon.
It just tastes weird.
I cut lemons all day at work, so
So we're supposed to be able to eat that.
I mean, it's just supposed to make it. Well, I'm cutting it, so I'm just gonna cut it up. All right, so it's supposed to make it taste sweet. So
I'm gonna taste this. Yeah. Yeah.
it does.
It tastes sweet.
Hold on. I'm scared to put it. Is it good, baby?
I could have beat you with this.
Huh?
I could have beat you in that challenge.
What challenge? If you had this in your mouth, well, then it would have been a challenge. I'm scared to do it. She happy, smiling, and eating it like it's a bird or something. Okay, let's see. Y'all, for real.
It is.
Real talk. It's like super sweet. It's like delicious.
You gonna buy some more berries, baby?
It's like a we need to get some more of those. It is good. Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was gonna work. Real talk.
I ate my whole piece.
It's so good. I swear I didn't think it was gonna work. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
I can't cut nothing.
Limes are, I don't know, for some reason lime skins are super hard. I be at
Your
work.
still sweet.
They say it lasts 20, 30 minutes.
I gotta eat my dinner.
By the time we get to eat all this random stuff, we'll be like, all right, so.
I'll wait for you. Let's see.
Okay. Let me get the lemon out of my mouth. All right.
But it's sweet.
I know, right? Still sweet?
I don't like this lemon though, but it's sweet.
It's a lime? You don't like
I mean the lime. I don't like lime. How yours? It's sweet.
It's good.
Oh, look at it on my finger.
Whew. It's really good, y'all. Those berries should like be in everything. You would lose so much weight. You would, because if you got a sweet tooth, because I swear I have a sweet tooth, I do, and that's the one thing I think if I could get rid of the sweet tooth I have. But if you chew the berry and like lemons and lime taste like this,
it's sweet. Y'all have to get this Nature's Wild Berry. This is crazy. Who came up with this? I had to order this from Amazon.
but I'm sure Amazon probably cheaper. But I'm sure you can go
My mouth squeezed down.
places like Wegmans and stuff like that. Whole Foods have it.
I want to try one of these.
Sure, Whole Foods will have it. All right. So I'm trying to switch the stuff out of my mouth so we'll go on to the next flavor. All right, so cracker on one side, pretzel on the other. Taste like biggie?
You can still take the pretzel, but it's sweet.
No.
Mine is, I guess, because it's still on my tongue. Do the
Wait a minute. Let me do another piece of fruit because maybe it doesn't.
affect that.
Yeah.
Because I still taste the pretzel, but I have that sweet.
Hold on. Let me
Berry
try another
taste.
piece of lemon. Because that one, the cracker tasted like a cracker. Maybe it just works on stuff like this. Yeah, because it's still sour. You can still get the little sourness, but it's sweet. Like it's like eating lemonade. Eating this with that berry is like eating lemonade. Cracker and the lemonade and the berry all together.
That's a mix.
It's doing something. It's doing something.
That is kind of different. Y'all should try it. I'm not gonna try it. Let's get lucky.
All right. So this is the last thing.
I'm still eating the lemon.
Hold on. You're still sweet?
Yeah.
I don't know why we get no water. Something wrong. Every time we do a challenge with food, we never get no
I know
water.
we have a bubble cup.
We never had no water. We just sit here and eat stuff. Never had nothing to be choking about the
I
time.
don't know. I don't like the skin. But normally I don't eat lemons.
Okay. So,
What's that?
chip. So see, the chip is sweet. So maybe it's just with fruit.
I taste the barbecue. I wonder if you put this berry in some water with the lemon. That's
No.
instant lemonade.
No, it's only in your mouth.
I know. I'm trying to be creative.
Yeah. I think it's with just with fruit. That's,
Yeah, it's only working for the lemon.
it might work with like cucumbers and things like that. You think maybe it'll work for a cucumber?
We got cucumbers? We ain't.
I don't know.
We go to the store tomorrow.
Alright, so I'm gonna try one more lime and see if it's still going, because you see how much we've eaten since we started talking. And the fruit, while it is sweeter, it's sweet, it's very sweet, it still has the lemon lime twang to it.
Twine, twine.
So I'm trying to see if maybe it's eating the potato chips and the crackers. It's kind of making it go faster, because it said it lasts anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes.
And I still ain't ate my dinner.
Still sweet.
I feel it. It's in my on my tongue. You don't feel it? Like, just do like that. You smack it.
Because it's tart. I'm smacking because it's tart. Yeah. It's still sweet, but it's tart.
So our food shouldn't taste like that.
Well, our food is fresh. The chicken probably won't taste sweet. Other stuff might, because it's like vegetables.
Okay.
So we might have to wait them 20 minutes because I don't want it to mess my cover up.
They don't tell you how to get it out your mouth.
You can't get it out your mouth. You can't get it out. It's still good.
Oh, so you gonna eat some more?
I don't know.
Try
I'm
it.
gonna do the
Still
lemon.
there.
Stop using me as a guinea pig. How about you try it and see if it's still there? You're killing me using me as a guinea pig. You do it, baby. No. But it is super sweet. Yeah, I'll give it that. It does do what it says it's gonna do.
It has 0.56 calories. It has 0 everything.
Because it's just a dehydrated berry. It's an actual berry.
Where it come from? Santa Monica, California.
That's where that's packaged, but that's not where that berry came from.
Yeah, they even got a phone number.
It's still sweet. It's wearing off a little bit, but it's still sweet.
It said make sugar taste sweeter than sugar.
Make sour taste sweeter than sugar.
That say
sour.
My bad. I'm sleepy and hungry.
When your glasses do?
I know. I got a doctor. I got an appointment.
When?
The 23rd.
Next appointment is
Callie, come here.
Saturday.
The dog is always thinking she's supposed to have something. Sit down.
She always trying to be. I think she be trying to be in the videos. That'd be the problem. I think she be trying.
Like
to
the
be
whole
in TV.
time we not doing nothing, she don't do none of this.
No.
When we turn this camera on or we doing something, she like
She's attention. She's
she
an
need attention seeker.
She's an attention whore. So this was not a challenge, but I guess it was a challenge to see if it worked.
It was an experiment.
It's an experiment.
Nature's
Wild Berry. It does work. So anybody that wants to try this, try it because it does work. I don't think it works well, or maybe just not on my taste buds. I don't think it works well on processed foods like the crackers or the chips. Excuse me. But I think it will work well on like oranges, lemons, limes, cucumbers, things that are not inherently sweet, vegetables, celery. There's some celery in there. Go, baby, get celery.
We got celery?
We got celery. I just bought some celery.
For real?
Ooh, and there's a pepper in there. Grab it. It's a half pepper.
I thought you said sour stuff.
Well, see what it does with that.
She won't even get.
Trying to see what works till it wear off. I'm trying to make it wear off. Truthfully, I'm thinking enough stuff I put in my mouth to go away. But I was also tired of the sour stuff doing that little thing back here. You know what I'm talking about? Get that right up. In the bottom, baby, celery. Look on the bottom shelf. I bought a whole thing of celery.
This cut up. You used this already?
Which one? I got a half of
Oh, I see. I don't want you to do.
I just cut it the other day.
What are these?
Those are cherries.
No, what about them?
They're sweet. Oh, there's a cucumber. You gonna rinse it off, baby? You just gonna give me a naked cucumber?
My bad, I'm sorry.
Pass me a cucumber like
You
that.
know we'll be in the kitchen.
Huh?
I said, you know we'll be in the kitchen.
Get a napkin, baby. Do you see the celery?
Yeah.
Grab a stalk of celery. And you gotta rinse that off. Okay, so we found some more vegetables. We found some vegetables, not fruits, but vegetables. And I'm gonna see what the berry does to that. So we're doing experiments for you. So just rinse it off, baby. You gotta rinse it off. Grab a couple napkins, please. Thank you. She's such a lovely helper. Thank you so much.
I'm not saying nothing.
Okay, so right there.
The test.
All right, so we got stalk of celery, cucumber.
That's good.
Alright.
That's good. No, just get one each.
That's I know. I'm going back for the celery.
I don't like the skin on here.
Alright. That was fine.
Let me see that. I don't like skin. Alright.
Alright, I'll take the skin out.
Alright, let's see what happened.
Go ahead, man.
Why you looked at, she looked at me like, ooh, what'd it do?
I did.
You know I like cucumber, so.
What did it say? I don't know what it said. No, I hope it didn't say nothing.
No, I ain't do nothing. It's sweet a little bit. But it ain't do nothing like the lime and lemon. Like a little, but it's not like that.
No.
Alright, is
Okay.
it cucumber?
That's a
Or
celery?
a celery stick?
Just.
That tastes weird. Taste yours?
Hold on.
I like celery. It got a taste to it. Celery ain't supposed to be sweet.
Mine's not. I eat celery ranch, so.
You don't like when the stuff squirts?
I think that would stuff me on our hands.
Maybe.
So it does not work on celery or cucumbers.
Only sour stuff. But we be experimenting.
So I guess it is on the sour stuff. What else is sour?
Them candies we should have got.
Which one?
Sour Patch Kids. But they sweet though.
No, they got the sour one. The atomic sours.
So when y'all get this, get some of them. Alright, we about to close this.
Alright. So lemon lime, super sweet. Cucumber celery, not so much. Not so much with the processed food either. So I'm thinking it just needs to be something super sour and it'll make it sweet. I don't think it makes anything that's just even sweet. So
Leave that comment down below. Smash that like button.
hit that notification bell.
Share and subscribe.
Make sure you like us a lot. A lot. So we out.
Peace.
Damn, Missy Mari got